Good morning, boys and girls. Welcome back to my house where we can do number corner together. We're gonna go through our calendar first. So let's talk about the date. I went ahead and filled it in for us to save us a little bit of time, but our month is, that's right, it's March. And then our year is 2020. Boys and girls, if yesterday was the 24th day of the month, what do you think today is? What comes after 24? That's right, 25. So when we're writing our date, we use a 3 to represent March because March is the third month of the year. January, February, March. So March 25th, 20. Okay, when we're abbreviating the word March, we just write the first 3 letters, M-A-R. And then we finish with the 25th, 2020. What day of the week is it, boys and girls? If yesterday was Tuesday, what day is today? That's right, it's Wednesday. So now we're gonna say the whole date together. Today is Wednesday, March 25th, 2020. That's right, good job. So now I want us to look at our calendar marker. If yesterday we had, let's remind our brain what yesterday was. We had an analog clock and the time was 3 o'clock. The hour hand's pointing at the 3, the minute hand's pointing at the 12. That means it's 3 o'clock. And I saw some of you fill out your time from yesterday, and you did a really good job at telling me what time each clock showed. So good job. I can tell you're practicing. So if yesterday was an analog clock and 3 o'clock, I wonder what today could be. What type of clock do you think it will be? What time do you think will be on the clock? When you have something, I want you to say it out loud or tell your mom and dad, whoever's next to you, maybe your brother or sister, or if it's just you, just say it to yourself. All right, drum roll, please. Boys and girls, what type of clock is that? That's right, it's a digital clock. Right here it tells us the hour, and then over here the minutes. So it's 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock. I'm gonna write 4 o'clock on here, and it's a digital clock. Boys and girls, how much time has passed from 3 o'clock to 4 o'clock? Do you know? When you know, I want you to shout it out. That's right, 1 hour has passed, or 60 minutes. From 3 o'clock to 4 o'clock is 1 hour. If we look at our clock right here, if it's 3 o'clock, it goes around the clock for 60 minutes, and then it goes to 4 o'clock. That's right, boys and girls. All right, so yesterday we were in school for 130 days. How many days have we been to school today? How many days have we been in school today? Well, you know, I want you to shout it out. Just shout it. Everybody knows what comes after 130. I know you do. That's right. We've been in school for 131 days. So I'm going to add a dot. Because remember yesterday we filled up an entire tens frame, so we moved it over here. So now we're going to start a new one. So 131 days. 131 days. If we were to count all these dots, we'd count 100 dots. If we were to count these, 10, 20, 30, and then 1. 131. So let's come over here real fast. Let's write 131 in expanded form. What does this 1 represent? That's right, 100. And then the tens represents how many? That's right, 30. So 100 plus 30 plus how many ones? 1 equals 131. All right, boys and girls, and just to remind you, remember, we can write our equation like this, or we could even say 131 equals 100 plus 30 plus 1. Because it doesn't really matter. This sign, who remembers what this sign means? That's right, it just means that what's on this side is the same as what's on this side. 131 is the same as 100 plus 30 plus 1. So equations can be written either way. All right, so today, boys and girls, our main focus is going to be money. So we're going to review our coins, and then we're going to practice counting them together. So our first coin is a penny. Our second coin is a nickel. Then we have a dime. And then we have a quarter. Our penny is worth how much? That's right, 1 cent. Our nickel is worth how much? 5 cents. Our dime is worth 10 cents. And our quarter is worth 25 cents. So we're gonna come over here and we're gonna practice counting some coins. So I want you to look right here and see if you can figure out what is the value of this set of coins. So we have 2 dimes and then some pennies. All right, when you know how much it is right here, I want you to say it out loud. All right, let's count together. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. We have 30 cents. So right here, I'm gonna write 30 cents. All right, boys and girls, and then I'm gonna erase our board and I'm gonna give us one more. This one's gonna be a little trickier. Let me see if you got it. So I'm gonna group our coins by the ones that are alike. So I'm gonna put our nickels right here, our dimes right here, and then our pennies right here. All right, I want you to count them. All right, let's count them together. 10, 20, then remember our nickels are worth 5 cents, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. 44 cents. Remember, when we're writing cents, we put the C with the line to it to show that we're talking about cents. All right, boys and girls. So right now, you're gonna have an activity in Seesaw where you get to count coins yourself and write what the value of the set of coins is. All right, have a good day and I'll see you back here tomorrow. Bye, friends.